Holding their placards, members of Piston Cebu, Anak Pawis, Panagugpong Kadamay Cebu, and Makabayan held a rally at a gasoline station in Barangay Pacnaan, Mandawi City this Tuesday, March 8, after the big-time fuel price increase made by oil companies today. Fuel prices rose by 3 pesos and 60 centavos per liter for gasoline, 5 pesos and 85 centavos per liter for diesel, and 4 pesos and 10 centavos per liter for kerosene. This is the 10th consecutive oil price increase and the biggest yet for this year. Before the massive oil price hike today, several gasoline stations were swarmed with motorists last night to get their tanks filled before the price adjustment. The members of Piston Cebu called for government leaders to take action in lowering fuel prices.
Sana sa kapanawagan nato ang pagpaubos pod sa presyo sa lana karon nga panawagan nato us-us siya og 18 pesos.
He added that the current situation has been difficult, especially for public utility drivers and consumers, and they are calling for subsidies to be distributed to these affected groups.
Uban pa nato nga panawagan nga ayuda sa mga driver labi na sa fuel subsidy nila nga hantod karon wa poy nadawat.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.